Energy. Energy production is the foundation of our world. Without energy generation, streetlights would not be lit, buildings would not be constructed, cars would be useless, thus food would be produced, and electronic communication would be severed. However, the central source of our energy is derived from fossil fuels. As a species, we have become accustomed to this abundant, inexpensive source of energy. Yet this convenient energy source is finite, and people have known of its imminent and inevitable depletion. Even knowing that our fossil fuel supply is diminishing, we still extract this energy from our planet at massive rates. Despite the exhaustion of oil production, we have world leaders chanting,
"Drill, baby, drill,"
disregarding the fact that a potentially more critical dilemma of this energy crisis is the devastating damage we inflict upon our planet. Ever since the Industrial Revolution, deteriorated pipelines and workers unfortunately have accidents that cause oil spills, which sends huge amount of oil into the environment. On average, spills from tankers and offshore rigs are estimated to total about 250 million gallons per year. These spills hasten the decades-long deterioration of a region that serves as a nursery for wildlife. Aside from these spills, fossil fuel usage plays a critical role in modern climate change. Essentially, the entire scientific community supports the presence of global warming, and if projections hold true, there will be warming between 3.2 to 5.4 degrees above pre-industrial temperatures by the 22nd century. Increasing temperatures will lead to the melting of ice glaciers, which would also result in sea level rise and the development of more extreme and severe weather patterns. Although some people are recognizing the damaging effects of oil production and its imminent depletion, we as a species have become so engrossed in the oil-dominant lifestyle we lead, simply because the energy profit per capita for oil production is conveniently high compared to other sources of energy. And this is exactly what the oil industry wants. Engineering professor Peter Plumley even states, "It is in their financial interest to milk that energy source until the bitter end." Consequently, these oil companies will continue to drill until there are no more financial profit, which begs the question, when is enough enough?
We also have to acknowledge that an America run solely on fossil fuels should not be the vision we have for our children and our grandchildren.
In order to do that, we're going to have to stand up to the fossil fuel industry. We're going to have to transform our energy system and energy systems all over the world away from fossil fuel, energy efficiency, and sustainable energy.
Currently, there are multiple forms of renewable energy being utilized, including geothermal, biomass, wind, nuclear, and hydroelectric energy. Yet arguably the most effective and efficient renewable energy source is solar energy. In addition to having a relatively high energy ratio, the cost of solar energy is constantly dropping. According to the Sun Run organization, the total cost of solar installation can be between $15,000 to $29,000 for an average size system. However, the price of photovoltaic panels are plummeting each year. Also, solar panels can be implemented in incredibly remote areas, as well as on any given sunny roof in urbanized regions. Plus, the creativity and potential of this energy source is limitless. Engineers are suggesting the construction of solar fields in outer space are on the horizon, and recently, the innovation of transparent solar panels has emerged, and engineers believe it has the potential to power our cell phones and have the capabilities to power cities with these solar panels on skyscrapers. It is crucial for us to utilize this immense natural power. Amazingly, there is more energy that hits the Earth in 1 hour than the entire world consumes in 1 year. This is one of many renewable resources that are at our fingertips, and it will take the combined power of the existing energy sources and future innovative sources to cure the energy crisis we are now experiencing. It is going to take the determination of our species to force a change in our energy infrastructure to switch from the detrimental effects and depletion of fossil fuels to the sustainability of renewable energy sources. And as Democratic presidential candidate Bernie Sanders said,
"We are prepared to stand up to the fossil fuel industry, and that we are prepared to tell them that whether they like it or not, their short-term profits are less important than the planet we're going to leave the future generations." Thank you very much.